So we are about to start now. So please, and we want to talk about the softwares. So the software we are using, please note it, just jot it down. The software
Okay.
we are using for this training is Google Colab. Google Colab. But there is a software which you can use offline. Google Colab is run online. Online, you can run it online. It's not an IDE. It's not an IDE of offline. It's an IDE online. It works with data. Okay. So why Google VS Code? We have VS Code. It's a software. It's an integrated development software that runs offline. And we also have what we call PyCharm. PyCharm is also an offline software which we use to program Python. These softwares I just mentioned are used to program Python programming language. Okay, I hope you understand what I just said.
Yeah, I'm moving along. I was just
Okay,
trying to make
so
to make note as you're saying.
yeah, you have to make notes so that it will not look new to you again, so that when you are going to view, you can go through your notebook. Okay,
Okay.
so now I will share my screen so that you will see the environment. I'm showing you this environment for you to know that this is um, how VS Code looks like. So I want to show you the entire screen of my computer system so that I can show you the VS Code icon. Okay, so this is
Okay.
VS Code. I hope you have seen, you are seeing where I'm uh, this showing you through my icon, direction icon.
Yeah, I'm
So
seeing.
so did you see? It said Visual Studio Code. So
Yeah.
Visual Studio Code is an IDE environment offline which you can install. You can install it on your system. So we have the PyCharm community. PyCharm community is an also offline. So this offline runs on your computer system without using any internet connection. And also, I want to let you know that it is more important for you to get it because you might want to analyze data and there is no network around you or internet connection around you. But with the help of the offline IDE, you can be able to run the program you choose to work on, okay, or data you choose to analyze, okay. And also, to me, I'm using Google Colab because I have internet connection. I'm using this. I'm using a virtual environment which needs access to internet. So for me to less the stress of going through my softwares, I can just go through my web browser and open a software like which Google produced, Google Colab, and Google Colab produced it just for you to code an offline program, online program, and which you can access anywhere, So this is the importance of Google Colab. I'll stop sharing my screen, then I'll show you through my Chrome. where and how to search for Google Colab. Okay, so let me share
Okay.
my screen to Chrome. So I'm working on it. Okay,
Okay.
so I want to share my screen to Google Colab. So I hope you are seeing my screen. Now this is Google. I
Yeah,
hope
I'm
you are seeing
seeing.
my screen.
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Now this is Google. Okay, this is Google. Now I will come to Google. I will search for Google Colab. Did you see? It gave me a suggested Google Colab, Google Form, and Google It. I will pick the Google Colab. When I click it, you see the first tab is Google Colab, and you see the icon of Google Colab. I hope you saw it. This
Yeah, this one like orange.
Yes, you have to click it. Once you click it, it will take you to their environment, the online environment. Look at it when you open it, then you click a new notebook. Did you see it? A new
Yeah, I'm
notebook.
seeing it.
Once you click a new notebook, it will take you to the environment. It will take you to the environment. It's still loading. So the environment is still loading. Okay.
Okay.
Now this is the environment. This environment comprises of the normal tools or taskbar you have in your regular software. So this Google Colab, you can rename it, or you can name it to any name or any name of your choice. Now we are going to name it as Advanced Scratch Course. Okay,
Okay.
or Advanced Python. Okay, from beginner to advanced uh, training in Python. So I'm giving it a title, which anytime I open my Google Colab, I will have to open the or the past notebook I have created. This is a notebook, and this notebook I just created. You can get it through your Google Drive, because definitely everything will be stored there. This is how it works. Google make use of your Google Drive, store every notebook you have created, and this will help you to access it anywhere. As far you have your internet connection and you have your Google or Gmail to access your Google Drive, you can access it anywhere. So this is the title. We have named it to From Beginners to Advanced Training. And this, why is my system loading? Okay, let me go back. So, this is file. This file comprises of locate in Drive, open in play mode, a new notebook. This new notebook is when you want to create a new notebook, you click new notebook in Drive. Okay. Now,
Okay.
when you have an existing notebook before, you will click on open notebook. It will take you to your Drive, and then you will see all the notebook you have created before, so you can make use of it. Okay. And also You can upload notebook. Maybe you have already created notebook before and you downloaded it. Now you want to work on it again. You can upload it to your Google Drive and access it through the upload method. You can you can save, and this is all you have to know about the files. This is edit. You see select cells, cut cells, and select copies cells. Okay, these are the cells. These cells comprises of code and text. It comprises of code and text. So you can create a text. Okay, I want to create a text now so that you will see what I'm trying to explain to you. Okay, now this
Okay.
text, I will write a title of my code I'm writing. Okay, I will write a code. Now I'm going to name it keyword. Keyword. So this is the title of the code I want to write as soon as we start. So now here is the code, and this is the place you run your code. It's a tab, and this
I'm not seeing it too.
you are not seeing
This
it.
thing, yeah, I'm just like from the previous page you share. This Google collaboration, collaboratory, open collab and new notebook.
So let me
I'm not.
share my screen. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I'll go back again so that you will have to see what I'm trying to explain to you. So I it's now.
Okay, now I'm seeing a different this keyword.
So this is the file that I just opened. This is file I opened. This is what I explained to you. You have when you
Okay,
have the locate in Drive, open mode, new notebook. This is a new notebook which you open a new book. Okay, this is the title I rename from beginners to advanced. This is the title, and yeah, this is the open notebook. And open notebook is like open an existing notebook before, or you code it before, like for several years, and you want to open it again, you can open it. This is upload a notebook. Okay, now maybe you have downloaded your notebook which you have worked on before, and you want to make use of it, and it's not in your Google Drive. So you can upload it through the upload notebook. You can rename your notebook, you can move, and you can move to trash. You can save, and this is all you need to know. Then this is edit. Edit comprises on cells, select cells, cut cells, copy, and all. And what are the cells? This is the cells. We have the test and code cells. This test and code says, first of all, when you want to code in any program, you have to create a text for it. You have to explain your code to your audience. Okay, it's not everybody that is a programmer. So, as a programmer, you have to understand that people out there are not ready to see your code, but they are ready to see your explanation, right?
okay,
So, now you have to give it an explanation of your code. Okay, this is the explanation I just gave. I wrote and came here, I click on the edit and I type the keyword. So, and this is the tab I'd use. So I will write which I will use to write my program. So I'm still explaining. That's why I've not started writing code or anything. So I just want you to know this fundamental part of it. And when we come to view, you see the table of content. Table of content, and this table of content comprises of everything in our environment. And this is insert. This is insert. You can insert the code cells, the text cells, and all. So I believe you know what is cells.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this is runtime. Okay. Now can you tell me what do you understand by runtime? Do you have any
Mm,
idea?
no, I don't have any idea of what this one time mean.
Okay. Now runtime. We are on live virtual class, right?
Okay.
So we are on a runtime system because we are interacting at the same time through the help of a virtual software or a virtual software which is Gestit. So the runtime is running a program concurrently, like at the same time. Okay, I
Okay.
hope you got the explanation.
Yeah, I'm getting the explanation.
Yeah. So runtime is running something on or running any program through the internet in the same time is giving you the response. Okay, that is runtime. Now,
Okay.
for us to create a runtime, now for us to work on this Google Colab, we have to connect. So Google make it easy for us to have a storage, a virtual storage is a storage which can make our code runs fast. Just like how our itel phones or any other phones have storage. So Google Colab have its own storage. It allocates some storage size to us to use for our program. Now, this is the place you can connect. I hope you are seeing my direction.
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Connect. When you come to connect, you will click it. When you click it, it will connect. We are trying to host a runtime. Now it's connecting. It's trying to allocate a storage space for us. I will show you. Okay, did you see RAM and disk?
Yeah.
RAM and disk. And the RAM, you see that Python 3 Google Compute NG backend, and the RAM is 1.20 gigabytes out of 12 gigabytes, and the
Yeah.
disk is 41. This is the allocated storage space Google has locate for us to run our program. Okay, and
Okay.
this make it and this help us in running millions of code without any form of slowness or delay. So unlike we creating an offline program which maybe our system or our computer system do not have enough storage, but with the help of Google Colab have make it easier for us. Okay, now this environment command is just like a place you write your command to search for anything, just like adding a cell. You write command which the system respond to you. Okay, and also this is a table of content. When you click it, this place is a table of content, and here we have the find and replace. Okay, when you are looking for any thing, like you want to find any code or anything, you can come to the find or replace, and this is filter, if you want to filter a code or you need an help, you can use this to search for help. Okay, okay,
Okay.
and okay, this is variables. Well, when we go further, we will know more of variables. Okay, and this is
Okay.
key. This is secret password, and this is folders. Folder which we are working on. This is my drive. I'm using my drive now. Okay, and this is my drive, 70 gig available. So this is my drive. So now I believe you know the environment of Google Colab.
Yeah.
Okay, now so Google Colab is a program, or is a software which is known as Jupyter Notebook. This environment where you have the text and the code is a Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is Jupyter Notebook. When I turn to when I share my screen to VS Code, you will still see the same environment, the same look.
Okay.
So let me share to VS Code. Okay, now I'm sharing it to VS Code so that you will see the environment and look at it. Did you see it has the same code and markdown, which is the text cells? Did you see it?
Mm, no, it hasn't shown yet. Okay, it's now showing. Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Yeah. So this is how it looks like. It
Okay,
it's
its own
a
environment, right?
Jupyter notebook. Yes, this environment with
Okay.
text is known as Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook. So when I open PyCharm for you, PyCharm do not have this text and code, text and code. Now, Jupyter notebook in VS Code, you need to install them. You need to install them in their in a place where you search for or download extension. This is a place you download extension. I hope you have seen you are seeing my direction.
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Yeah, I've already installed it before, but this place, you see it is showing me update because I have already downloaded it before.
Okay.
I don't want to update it. Now, if you want to download, you have to search on the search bar. You would search for Jupyter. You click on Jupyter, then the Jupyter will comes out for you. Okay, it will come out. So I'm trying to show you an example. So look at it, Jupyter. This is Jupyter. You can download the first one when it pops out. Okay, then you can also download Python 3 on your Jupyter, because without the Python, it will not work. It will not run your program. So this is the Python you are to download. So I want you to know that this video is recorded, and whenever you find it difficult, always flash back to our YouTube video to watch it. Okay, to watch out this class. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Now, so this is all you need to know. So you see the same file, the edit, the select. This is how Google Colab also have it, right?
Okay.
So still the same way the environment looks like Google Colab. So this is at the end of the training, you will be able to analyze data like this. So let me scroll. This is the process of analyzing data at the end of the day. Okay. So these are the the process of analyzing data. Okay, and also now this Google Colab, this VS Code has run, code, text, and all. Okay, so I'm done with this VS Code, and I've already introduced you um, Google Colab. Now let me try to open my PyCharm. Okay, to open my PyCharm so that you will see the environment of PyCharm. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So let me try to open the PyCharm. Okay. So far,
Okay.
what have you learned so far? I just want you to give me a feedback of what I have been explaining, what you have learned during this training.
Okay. Um, you try to put me to know the kind of software that we will be using for this my classes as of this
Okay.
introduction aspect. So you introduced me to Google Colab.
Okay.
Let me. So you introduced me to Google.
Hello. 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 Are you still there? Hello.
Yeah,
Abu.
hello.
Yeah. You went off. I'm not hearing you.
Okay, okay. I said you introduced me to Google Colab, which you said is an offline software that is used to run a program. Then
Okay.
you show me the environment of Google Colab, and then the things that comprise of the environment of Google Colab. And then also
Okay.
you took me to another software which is called like the Jupyter, right? As you call it.
Okay, I explained to you Jupyter. The environment of Google Colab is Jupyter.
Okay, the environment of Google Colab is Jupyter. Okay, the other one is VS, right?
Yes, VS Code.
Yeah, the VS Code. Okay, you also show me the VS Code and that of the environment of it. So like I'm just
Okay.
following up. I'm just following up. But after the class, I'll be going through the videos as well.
No problem. No problem. But it's better for you so that when you watch the video, we have to understand properly and get it right. Okay. That's why I'm
Okay,
taking
sir.
my time for you to know all this I am trying to explain. Okay.
Okay,
So I'm trying to load the other software, the last software, which is PyCharm. Okay.
okay. What's the other name? PyCharm?
PyCharm,
Okay,
PyCharm Community. PyCharm is a software called PyCharm.
okay,
PyCharm.
okay,
I'm loading it. Okay.
okay. It's an offline software.
It's an offline software.
Okay,
PyCharm is an offline software. Okay.
okay, sir.
And so, okay, before it loads, let me search for it. Let me search for it so that you will okay, you will know what the PyCharms look like. Okay, so let me search on it on Google. So I'm still on it. I'm still on it. Okay.
Okay.
So okay, I hope you are seeing my screen.
Mm, I'm not seeing it yet.
Hello?
Yeah, I haven't seen the
I hope you
screen.
are seeing my screen.
No, I haven't seen the screen. You share the screen, right?
Okay. Okay, no problem. I'm sharing it now.
Okay.
I don't know if it has come up.
No, it hasn't come yet. Okay, I'm seeing it now.
Hello, are you seeing it now?
Yeah, I'm seeing it by chance.
Okay. Now, this is the website to download it, and this is the website, and I went through Google to search for it. So I'm going back to Google so that you will be able to see how I search for it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is it. This is the Google. Then this is the first I click. So, and I want you to go through the link I sent you. The link I sent you, there is a PyCharm link which has it downloaded. You can download it. It has the cracked version. So when you download this, it will tell you to input a key, or you can buy. I don't want you to buy. I want you to go and download the cracked version through the link I sent on the group chat.
Okay. You want me to do it now?
No, when you get the system, when the
Okay.
laptop is available, okay?
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, good. So now, and let's see the pictures of PyCharm. So I'm searching for the picture of PyCharm now. So it's loading. I hope you are seeing what I'm searching for.
Yeah, I'm seeing the screen.
So I don't know. So it's not too obvious, it's not too wide to view. So I'm trying to load it, and the software is not picking up on my system.
Okay.
So I don't know. I don't know how I want. I want you. I don't know how I can be able to show you the environment. I'm still waiting for my system to load the software on my system. Okay, so I'm trying
Okay.
my best to show you the environment. So so I'm coming. So we have to, okay, let me download it. Let me download the image so that we are going to know how it looks like. Let me download the image for us. Oh, oh. So, or can I share the picture of the environment on WhatsApp for you?
Okay, no problem.
So I'll search for the picture, then you are going to see the environment. Okay, my I don't really know why the software is not loading on my system on my PC. So 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 you have not taken any course in any programming language before,
I've never tried anything relating to anything like this.
like this. So this is your first time.
This is my first time of doing this.
Yeah. So I think being your first time uh, is never a problem, but the effort you put is more important. Okay. I
Okay,
believe so many people I have thought about this at the beginning. It was not it was not their feed, and they have never used to program before. But through the help of this training, they were able to walk through the programs and also learn more coding system or techniques in data science and all. And now they have their own virtual job which they are doing. Okay,
okay,
so
sir.
just keep moving forward.
Okay,
So this is an introductive class, and I believe that you are in your car and you are not in a place where you will be able to settle down and view. So I will not go through the introduction to the Python course and all. Okay, I just want it
okay,
to be brief, and so that we can have a personal discussion and get to know some of the environment and which I have introduced you to, and also on our next class, I would
yes,
like
sir.
you to be in a stable environment where you'll be able to focus and have the more or the knowledge you will be needing. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So,
Then
so
after
this
the class, I'll be wanting us to discuss something, but after the class, since this is on live record, I don't want this, I don't want to say it here.
okay. Okay, no problem. So can we end the class now? So
Okay, no problem. Okay,
do have a nice day. Bye.
okay, sir.